Dear viewers, today our topic is business phone service provider in my area. We will discuss in this topic on the different questions, like first of all, what is the best and the cheapest virtual phone service. Basically, dear viewers, eVoice is one of the most inexpensive virtual phone number companies available. You pay for what you get for here. It lacks many features including any CRM tools, but it's extremely inexpensive and great for outbound faxing. Dear viewers, which is the best virtual number app? If you some apps I will recommend it to you, like Grasshopper, Google Voice, phone.com, eVoice, and the Fresh Caller. These are the best app which you can use for the virtual number. Dear viewers, how you can get the landline number for in your area? First of all, getting virtual number for your business is easy. Call 10213, click telcom.co.za, go to any telecom shop or email in front of you. Secondly, how do I get a free business phone line? Free phone line service, Google Voice. This is probably one of the more popular free business phone services because there are millions of Gmail users worldwide. Dear viewers, you can see Line is there and Dictone is there. These are tax free, and tax free is a application available on the iOS and the Google Play App Store. Dear viewer, what is a small business phone system? Typically, a small business phone system is a typically solution that allows your company to make and receive outbound and the inbound. Dear viewers, can I get a cell phone in my business phone? Apply for a cell phone under the business EIN. Many cell phone providers will extend credit to a company. Apply for a business credit cards or a line credit at your business banks. Dear viewers, how much does it cost to install a telecom landline? Installation of the broadband DSL now cost 792 rupees, while a self-install options without a technician sites. You can see all the prices in front of you, dear viewers. And regarding you see in this video we will discuss on different topics, and regarding the business phone service provider in your area, you can easily by Google, just go to your Google and find the best phone service provider in your area. When you will select nearby you, so all the best business phone service providers will come in front of you with numbers, with detail, everything will be on the screen. So you by the helping of the Google search, you can easily find best business phone service providers in your area. I hope this video will be very beneficial for you. Thank you for watching this video.